Dear students, welcome back. So I am here with one more problem on hire purchase system, that is illustration number 11. Durga Travels Limited purchased 4 motor car costing rupees 2,75,000 each. How much? 2,75,000 each. So how many cars have been purchased? 4 cars. Okay. From Tata Company Limited on 1/1/2015. So on the hire purchase system, so the terms of payment were on delivery rupees 1 lakh. So on delivery they are paying 1 lakh rupees and the balance in 4 equal installment together with interest at 8% per annum to be paid at the end of each year. So Durga Travels Limited writes of depreciation at 10% for the first 2 years and 20% in the next 2 years. So first year they are charging 10, first 2 years they are charging 10% depreciation and the 2 consecutive years. So after that the 2 years, remaining 2 years they are charging 20% of depreciation. So under written down value method, that is what WDV method is nothing but written down value method, accounts are closed on 31st December every year. So this is the problem again. So there is no any hidden thing here, so you need not to do any analytical table, so which the problem can be solved directly. Clear? You need not to do any separate working note for this problem. Clear? So let us solve the problem with the working note. So take a working note: calculation of cash price, down payment and the balance which has to be payable on installment basis. So first let us calculate it cash price. So cash price of the cars, open bracket and write 2,75,000 into 4. 2,75,000 into 4. So that comes to 11 lakh. How much? 11 lakh. Less the down payment. So how much down payment has to be made? That is 1 lakh rupees. So how much? 1 lakh, because he has said in the problem directly. So the down payment is 1 lakh rupees. Clear? So directly deduct 1 lakh rupees from that particular amount. So once you deduct that 1 lakh rupees out of 11 lakh, so balance will be how much? So balance will be exactly 10 lakh rupees. So balance will be exactly 10 lakh rupees. So that particular 10 lakh rupees, so which we are exactly we are supposed to pay in 4 equal installments. Correct? So let us calculate now. Each installment equals balance payable divided by number of installments. So what is the balance payable? That is 10 lakh rupees divided by how many installments? 4. So obviously each installment how much we are supposed to pay? So that is 2,50,000 rupees. How much? 2,50,000 rupees is the installment for each year we are supposed to pay. Clear? So without further delay, yes, let us go back to the motor car account. Open a ledger account, motor car account, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. Clear? So now on 1/1/2015, on 1/1/2015 to Tata Motors account. So this motor car account we always start from the debit side, so that you should remember all the time. So on 1/1/2015 to Tata Motors account 11 lakh. So on the credit side 31st/12/2015 by depreciation account 11 lakh into 10 divided by 100. So that comes to 1,10,000 rupees. So on the closing date 31st/12/2015 by balance carried down 9,90,000 rupees. Clear? So that is the difference. 11 lakh minus 1,10,000. So the difference is 9,90,000 rupees. And when you add the total amount, you are going to get 11 lakh rupees. Clear? So now next year on 1/1/2016, 2 balance brought down that is 9,90,000 rupees. So on the year end 31st 12 2016, by depreciation account, 9,90,000 into 10 divided by 100, so that comes to 99,000 rupees. How much? 99,000 rupees. So by balance carried down, the difference find out, 9,90,000 minus 99,000 rupees. So you're going to get a carried down figure is 8,91,000. When you total both the side, you're going to get 9,90,000, 9,90,000. So on opening day of the next year, 1/1/2017, two balance brought down. So two balance brought down, what is the figure? 8,91,000 is the brought down figure. On 31st 12/2017, by depreciation account, open the bracket and write 8,91,000 into. So you should remember one point here. For first 2 years, the rate of depreciation is 10% and other 2 years is 20%. So I have done already 2 years with 10%. So now I am here to consider 20%. So on 31st 12/2017, by depreciation account, 8,91,000 into 20 divided by 100, that comes to 1,78,200. So now deduct 8,91,000 minus 1,78,200. So the difference is 7,12,800 rupees. How much? 7,12,800. So add, you're going to get 8,91,000, 8,91,000 for both the sides. So next on 1/1/2018, two balance brought down 7,12,800. So on 31st 12/2018, by depreciation account, 7,12,800 into again 20%. So 20 divided by 100, that comes to 1,42,560. So now the balance carried down figure will be 7,12,800 minus 1,42,560 rupees. So the balance is 5,70,240. So both the side total 7,12,800, 7,12,800. So now we are done with 4 years as the information provided by the problem. So now we are supposed to do the carried down for the 5th year. So we do the brought down and we don't do any calculation. Further calculation, we just do the brought down and just we are going to leave that like that. So on 1/1/2019, two balance brought down 5,70,240 rupees. 5,70,240 rupees is the balance brought down. It is the closing balance of 2018 and that will become an opening balance for 2019. Clear? So now we are done with the car account. Clear? So motor car account. Now we are supposed to prepare a Tata Company Limited account. Clear? So now we always solve this problem from the credit side. Obviously go to the credit side. 1/1/2015, buy motor car account. So how much is the value? Open the bracket. 2,75,000 into how many cars purchased? 4 cars. So 2,75,000 into 4, how much? 11 lakh rupees. So now calculate interest at 8% per annum. Clear? So open the bracket and write. So here, before going to this step, I always said in every problem I told you that, so you should deduct the down payment and for the remaining amount you are supposed to calculate interest. Clear? How much is the down payment? 1 lakh. Clear? So that 1 lakh you should reflect on the debit side. 1/1/2015, two bank account, down payment 1 lakh. So 11 lakh minus 1 lakh, that is 10 lakh. So go back to the credit side. 31st 12/2015, by interest account, open the bracket and write 10 lakh into 8 divided by 100. The amount comes to 80,000. So mention that 80,000 there. So now come back to the debit side. Two bank account, we know what is the interest now. Open the bracket. 80,000 is the interest plus installment amount which we are supposed to be paid, that is 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 plus 80,000 is 3,30,000. Clear? 3,30,000. So now find out the carried down figure. So 2 balance carried down. So 11,80,000 minus 1 lakh minus 3,30,000. Clear? So that comes to, the balance figure is 7,50,000. Clear? So that comes to 7,50,000. Clear? So now 11,80,000 both the side total. So next, coming to the next year, that is on 1/1/2016, buy balance brought down 7,50,000. 31st/12/2016 buy interest account 7,50,000 into 8 divided by 100, that side total. So next, coming to the next year, that is on 1/1/2016 buy balance brought down 7,50,000. 31st/12/2016 buy interest account 7,50,000 into 8 divided by 100, that comes to 60,000 rupees. So go to the debit column to bank account on 31st/12/2016, that is, open the bracket, 60,000 rupees is interest plus 2,50,000 rupees is the installment money. So total amount payable to bank account 3,10,000. So now 8,10,000 minus 3,10,000. So the balance carried down will be 5 lakh. Clear? So now for the next year, that is on 1/1/2017, buy balance brought down 5 lakh rupees. 31st/12/2017 buy interest account 5 lakh into 8 divided by 100, 40,000. So total 5,40,000 rupees. So on 31st/12/2017 to bank account, what is the interest? 40,000 plus installment 2,50,000, put together 2,90,000 both the side. So the last year carried down figure for the 2017 is 2,50,000. So now on next year 1/1/2018 buy balance brought down 2,50,000 rupees. Calculate interest for that. 31st/12/2018 buy interest account 2,50,000 into 8 divided by 100, that is 20,000. So total comes to 2,70,000 rupees. So on the debit side, 31st/12/2018 to bank account 20,000 interest plus 2,50,000 rupees is the installment, put together 2,70,000. So there is no any balance amount left to carry down or brought down or further calculation. Clear? So now we have done with the major part of the problem. So we are yet to do depreciation account and interest account. Clear? So let us open depreciation account. 31st/12/2015 two motor cars account. How much first year depreciation? 1,10,000. Buy P&L account 1,10,000. 31st/12/2016 two motors car account. How much is the depreciation? 99,000 rupees. So 31st/12/2016 buy P&L account 99,000. 31st/12/2017 two motor car account 1,78,200 rupees. Buy P&L account 1,78,200 rupees. So 31st/12/2018 two motor car account 1,42,560. 31st/12/2018 credit side buy P&L account 1,42,560 rupees. So now we are done with the depreciation account. Let us do the interest account. Clear? So two higher vendor account on the first year end, that is 31st/12/2015. Two higher vendor account, how much? 80,000 rupees. 31st/12/2015 80,000 rupees. 31st/12/2016 two higher vendor account 60,000 rupees. Buy P&L account 60,000 rupees. 31st/12/2017 two higher vendor account 40,000. Buy P&L account on 31st/12/2017 40,000 rupees. 31st/12/2018 two higher vendor account 20,000 and 31st/12/2018 buy P&L account 20,000. So now we have done the depreciation account for 4 years, interest account for 4 years. So we are done with the problem. Clear? So I believe by this time you have understood very well so how to do hire purchase account. So let us stop here. I'll come up with one more problem very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.